everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a pop-up-based email automation. So pop-up-based email automation is a powerful feature that allows you to effortlessly send follow-up emails to users who have submitted their emails via pop-ups. In order to create your email automation, just sign in to your Popup Smart account. If you don't have an account, you can just create one for free, and after that continue with email automations on the left-hand panel. Then you can select a trigger. For example, let's continue with welcome new subscribers. Give your automation a name and click continue. Okay, we are directed to the automation interface. Here we will choose a pop-up campaign. So when a visitor enters their email address on this pop-up that I have chosen, they will receive the email. So if you have more than one pop-up campaigns, you will see a list of your pop-up campaigns here. And please note that a pop-up campaign must include an email form element in order to appear in this model. And if you don't have a pop-up campaign, you will see create a pop-up campaign button, so you can just create your first pop-up campaign. Okay, when we're first starting, we have chosen the trigger as welcome new subscribers, but on the left-hand panel, you can always change the trigger of your email automation. Okay, let's continue with delay. This is the wait time before sending the email. You can make it maybe 10 minutes. So when someone submits their email address, they will just receive the email 10 minutes later. Okay, let's continue with next to mail button. Okay, here you can enter the sender's name, and then we have the reply to email address field right here. Sender's name refers to the name that will be displayed as the sender of the email. It can be a person's name or the name of your business or organization. And the reply to email is the email address where recipients can send their replies or inquiries. It's the email address that will receive any responses or replies from the recipients of the email. And here you can just send test emails to your email address through any other email address to see how the email looks before you send out to the other visitors on your website. Then we'll continue with the content of the email. This is where you actually customize the email. You can add coupon codes to welcome your new subscribers. You can change the fonts, background, and body color. Here, when you click on change email templates, you can see some ready-to-use email templates. And as you can see, all the elements right here are editable. You can even add your social platforms. You can add a footer with your unsubscribe and privacy policy links. And again, you can easily go back to the general, and as I mentioned before, you can send the test email after you have done all the customization. You can also change the subject line as well. This is the subject line that will be visible in the inboxes of the email recipients. And once you're happy with your email, just click save and toggle the status button right here. Okay, now I'm going to my website. Okay, here's my welcome pop-up. I'll just enter my email and let's click subscribe. Okay. So as you remember, we set the time of delay as 10 minutes. So I'll have to wait 10 minutes to receive my welcome email with my coupon code in it. So that's actually how easy creating email automations based on your pop-ups with Popup Smart. Go ahead, try it out for yourself and let us know what you think.